a county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. In this case, the test will be conducted the next clear weather day. And this concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 1 a.m. Wednesday, March 12, 2025 for the...